Okay, so today I decided to do the final touch of my stove. Um, this is painted with, in case somebody needs to know, it's the high heat from Rust-Oleum. This can withstand up to 1200 degree. I painted the base. That's just regular Rust-Oleum paint, because it's not it's satin black. It's not a regular paint because it's not on top, it won't be hot, and plus I like the look of it. It's kind of like shiny a little bit, even though it's supposed to be matte finish or satin, I should say. Since I was painting my toolbox here, so I decided to paint those with that. This was actually red, but it was rusty, so that's what I did with those, just to protect the rust, I guess. See, it's actually red, but it's gonna be covered anyway, so give it one more life before throwing out in the trash, I guess, or metal collection. But other than that, this is the stove. Everything's all set except for the gasket. I have to put the gasket in last. I'm thinking of riveting the gasket, I guess. I got a thick, almost 1 inch fiberglass gasket. I'm still trying to think of a way to put it in there, to see the best possible way to either weld something inside it and then sneak the gasket in the center, or rivet, one or the other. But this is the final of it, I guess. I just painted it all black, so it would be I guess it'll probably look a little bit better. And then one last one would be my last step from making this video, would be the paint, lighting. So I guess that would be my last thing, is to light up, and that will be my last. But other than that, that's about it.